Hey guys, today I'm gonna animate this super cute ice cream and I'm gonna use a rig that we created in previous part, so if you miss it you can check it. I will drop a link in a description. So I always start from big action, and as you can see I selected eye controller, body controller and stick controller and just set keyframes for position setting. I don't care about timing right now, I will fix it after creating this main action. And don't forget to change keyframe interpolation from current setting to linear interpolation. In this case, you can avoid some extra actions for this jumping effect of our character. And I have one more trick for you. As you can see, I used almost for every keyframes easy interpolation, excepting that moments where our ice cream falls down, when it touched the ground. In real life, we have no deceleration when some objects falls down, so if you want to create these feelings to be more realistic, you should use linear interpolation for these parts. And after that, let's add some squash and stretch effect. And here I have one more thing for you. Oh my god guys, today I'm gonna share with you a lot of things. Just don't forget about proportion, what it means. If you change some parameter, squash it, don't forget to stretch it as well and do it in some proportion. Just check out my numbers on the screen and you will get what I mean. When it's done, you can change interpolation for scale as well, and be sure that you edit it with position and you have the same graphics for scale and for position animation. And now it's time to add overlapping effect. I've already talked about it on my stream, you can check it there, but here I also want to share with you my technique. To create it, you need to find center of weight of your character. In my example, it will be stick position controller, so animation of this controller will start in 0 frame. And after that, I just selected other animations and move it in couple of frames, it's enough, and then you can repeat this process with every controller. Well, I guess we are ready to add some more details for the character, and I'm gonna start working with eyes. And be careful working with eyes because it's really short action and I used couple of frames, maximum 3 frames for this animation. And to create this effect that the eyes are alive, I added really tiny actions for them. It's because in real life our eyes never stop on one point, except in that cases when we are thinking about something and we are really concentrated. I also changed keyframe interpolation for body rotation controller, just again to avoid extra actions for my body rotation. And of course, don't forget about blink effect, just because without blink our character doesn't look alive. And one more trick for you: at first our eyes look at something and only after that our body will react on it and rotate at the same direction. Also, I added animation for rotation parameter of my character, and now it looks more alive. And this part of tutorial will be more about some details, how to add more secondary actions. And when you set all keyframes, it's time to experiment with timing and, of course, spacing. I don't have any gold advice for you here. Just watch again and again your animation and think how you can improve it. As for graph editor, I change these curves to create smooth in and out of my animation. So yeah, it's pretty simple and nothing complex. And the last things for today, I add more animations with these cute hearts. I animated only one with position and transparency, and after that just copy it. So again, nothing super complex. So it was second part about this super cute character. I hope you like it. If you want to draw it, you can check my tutorial in Instagram. If you want to rig it, you can check the previous part on YouTube. If you want to get project file or support me, you can do it using my Patreon. All links in the description. And I hope you like this part as well. Please let me know what you think in comments, and see you in next tutorials here, there, everywhere.